So we're going to learn how to work out the percentage of something without using a calculator. Because you may get asked this in the exam, you may get asked to work out a percentage, just like we were at the beginning there, without using a calculator. So the first thing we do, we look at the question. The cinema is 150 seats. 64% of the seats have been booked. How many of the seats have been booked? So again, we look at the question, and we see there are only two numbers in the question. So we know the question is asking us what is 64% of 150. Now, doing it the way we've just been doing it, 64 divided by 100 times 150, it's a bit mind-blowing. So is there an easier way of working that out? Yes, there is, and it's this. So the question's asking us what is 64% of 150. That's what the question's asking us. So we set it up like this. Then we draw ourselves a line. We split the percentages from the number. So we've got 64% there, we've got 150 there. We need to know three percentages. The only three percentages we need to know to be able to work these out. We need to know 50%. We need to know 10%. And we need to know 1%. The only three percentages you need to know. And you can work out a percentage of any number without using a calculator. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to take this 64% and I'm going to break it up into these percentages. So, 50, 10, 50 plus 10 is 60, and 4 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, they're the percentages, 50, 10, 1, 1, 1, 1. Adds up to 64. So now what I'm going to do, using just these percentages, I'm going to find out what 50% of 150 is. So that's a half of 150, yeah, which is 75. Now to find 10% of any number, to find 10% of a number, all you do, you take the decimal point which lives here and you move it one place to the left. So that's 10%. So I found 10% of 150 is 15. If I need to find 1% of 150, I move that decimal point one more place to the left. Which means that 1% of 150 is 1.5. 1.5. That repeats itself 4 times. Basically all we do then, we add up. 5, 10, 15, 20, so that's a 0. Decimal point. 2 to carry. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16. 1 to carry. 7, 8 plus 1 is 9. The answer to the question, what is 64% of 150, is 96. Okay? Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Is it fairly straightforward to do? Yeah? So on the second page of your booklet, you've just got 2 to do there. Okay? 2 to do.